Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can utilize the vertical tabs feature in the Brave browser. So let us get started. So open up the Brave web browser on your PC or laptop. And the standard or normal view for your tabs is here on Brave that you see them here at the top, like on Chrome or Microsoft Edge. But you may, for example, enable the vertical view so that all of your open tabs will be listed here to the left on the sidebar. Let me show you how to do that. All you will need to do is right click on one of your open tabs here at the top and select this option here at the bottom, use vertical tabs. And there you go. As you can see, your open tabs have been moved here to the left sidebar. So here you may navigate through your tabs by clicking on them, or you may close them by clicking on the X icon. You may open a new tab by clicking on this button. And as you can see, it is super simple, guys. So if you'd like to return to the previous view, simply click on that field here at the top and select use vertical tabs to, or unselect it in this case here. That is going to switch back to the standard view here with these horizontal tabs. And that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.